You can just nail it. You can rock it. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Like, why did I say that? Maybe I'm lucky. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet. Welcome to my channel. आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं सबसे पहले आप लोग को बोलूँगी और मैं ये बार बार अपनी वीडियो में बोलती हूँ, प्लीज़ गाइस सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. आई हैव नोटिस दैट मैक्सिमम ऑफ यू जो मेरी वीडियोस देखते हैं, यू गाइस हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड दिस इज़ सो सैड टू नो दैट. Please subscribe to my channel. This way you guys can support me and this way I get more encouragement and I get motivated to bring up more good content for you guys. और यार सब्सक्राइब करने में क्या जाता है, एक बटन ही तो दबाना है. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell icon so that you guys don't miss my posts. Now from the video title, so many of you would have already guessed that what this video is all about. So that's totally right. I have launched my Instagram filter on my Instagram. So those of you who don't follow me there, go ahead and follow me right now because I've launched my own personal Instagram filters, which is a huge thing for me. Like finally I did that. I wanted to do that from so long. I've been seeing bloggers, influencers doing that from so long, and I wanted to go ahead and do something creative and create my own filters. The filters which I have created, वो मैं अभी आपको थोड़ी देर में बताने वाली हूँ कि किस टाइप के filters मैंने create किया और मैं थोड़ा बहुत process आपको समझाऊंगी. I won't go into detail because this video is all about sharing this big news with you guys, not about the details, but yes, I would be sharing with you the few things which are like important, and just in case if you're a blogger or if you're an influencer watching my video and you wanted to do something like that, so that I can guide you in a correct way. So yeah, let's just get started and let's see how it goes and whether you guys like it or not. And also please subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet, and follow me on Instagram to just enjoy my filters. Now earlier what used to happen is like only the creators which have a verified account or the artists, they can only create the filters and then put it up or upload them on their profile. But now Instagram has come up with this unique and with this very beautiful feature where anyone out there, like you, me, anyone, whosoever want, they can create they can design their filters, they can just upload them, and so that Instagram can verify it for you guys. So that's really cool, right? Like anybody out there can create their own filters the way they want to create it, and then Instagram, like once they verify it, you can just nail it, you can rock it, and you can just upload that the picture of that filter anywhere you want. So I'm gonna tell you a few steps. What happens is like the first step is when you design your filter, everything has been done. You send it to Instagram. Instagram usually, like for me, I'll be very honest with you guys, Instagram took I think not more than 3 to 4 hours to approve my filter. Like it verified my filter and then it was automatically linked to your Instagram account, so this way you don't have to again upload it on your Instagram. So once it's verified by the Instagram team, it is automatically linked to your Instagram profile. So that's what it takes. But again, there have been few people which say that Instagram take like forever to approve your filters. I actually don't know that whether Instagram take that much long, क्योंकि मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है. मेरे साथ maximum 3 से 4 घंटे लगे हैं उनको अप्रूव करने में. तो I can't say that part of the story कितना टाइम लगता है कि नहीं लगता है. But हाँ, I have heard so many people saying that you need to have a patience. एक बार filter जब आपका Instagram को आप दे देते हो अप्रूव करने के लिए, otherwise I don't think so. मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. Maybe I'm lucky. Alright, so this is the process how it goes, and just in case, I just read it recently, if you're creating a filter which has so much of plastic surgery and all that stuff, like lip fillers and like sharpening your jaw lines or nose ko patle karna, so Instagram right now is not approving those filters. It's just keeping them on hold, maybe due to some of the guidelines, so that I don't know what exactly it is, but कुछ ऐसा है कि वो नहीं चाहते कि लोगों को बुरा लगे, something related to their appearance. So let me just quickly show you guys how exactly you can just go to my Instagram and then search for my filters. So on my Instagram feed, this is the third like the icon where you have to click, and then you'll see all my personalized filters. So you will find 3 filters over there, and the first one is the feed, second one is IGTV, third one is the place for filters, and fourth one is the place where people tag me. So you have to go to the third tab, and then you'll see all my filters there. Just click on the warm tones ones, which is my first filter. Many of you, like when I launched my first filter, it was kind of like a natural filter. I call it as a warm toned. It was kind of like a little bit freckles on your nose and just a little bit retouching on your face, like a little smooth texture on your face. बहुत ही natural था, and I think so many people out there, they said that it's quite a natural, you feel like you are yourself, right? For the second filter also you have to do the same thing. So the second filter is here, it is called as Glee Star, and it has all that little the glitters and star. You can see how beautiful this filter looks, right? I call it Glee Star, which is glitter and star, which is a mixture of glitters and sparkles and stars. So basically work on the dark areas, like the dark colors, black, blue, green, like all the dark colors, and it looks fab. I'm telling you, it definitely looks so pretty, so beautiful. Must check it out. Now the last but not the least, we have the third filter. Which I created was, it's all about a little bit of like sparkles and then little bit about your eye lenses. So it has a tap to change the feature in it. So you see a 4 different color of your eyes, like blue, green, gray, little bit of yellow color. It's just like a very minimal so that you don't feel awkward in that color. So I just put the opacity very low, like 20% or 30%, and it definitely looks very pretty, very pretty, and it's one of my favorite filters. And then it has that little bit of glitter effect, and you can even use it outside. It looks really beautiful, I'm telling you guys. It's one of my favorite filters. Alright, so that was all about today's video. That was all about sharing my big announcement which I did on Instagram with you guys, that how happy I am and how grateful I am that I was able to do something which I wanted to do from so long. I hope you guys will go to my profile, you guys will follow me on Instagram, and you guys will share my filters with your friends, and you will also try them out. And just in case you guys try them out, don't forget to tag me on your pictures or on your videos so that I can repost your pictures and videos on my account. And just in case you guys need a video on a detailed video, like how I created my filters, like how I designed them and what like steps I took, and like the whole process, if you guys want to know, comment down below so that accordingly, if the more number of people want me to do that, I'll definitely come ahead with that video, or like a detailed version where I would be explaining you guys how actually it is done, like what you need to do, like from the first step I'm gonna be telling you guys. So yeah, just do let me know if you guys want me to come up with that video. Also, if you guys have not followed me on all my social media handles, which is mentioned down below in the description, go ahead and follow me over there. So yeah, that was all about today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed listening to my story, enjoyed listening to my big announcement, because I'm super happy after doing this. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. Right now I'm signing off from this video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.